Ever pressed your Acadia's brake pedal and felt nothing? You're not alone. Let's find out why this happens and how to fix it. First up, check your brake fluid. If it's low or leaking, your brakes might feel soft or unresponsive. Pop the hood, find the brake fluid reservoir, and see if it's between the minimum and maximum lines. Next, listen for sounds, squealing or grinding. That's a sign your brake pads might be worn out and need replacing. Pedal going all the way to the floor? You could have air in the brake lines, or worse, a brake line leak. Both need quick attention. Don't ignore it. If your Acadia pulls to one side when braking, it could be a stuck caliper or uneven brake pad wear. This is a job for a mechanic. Finally, if you see any warning lights on your dashboard, like ABS, get your car checked right away. To sum it up, check your brake fluid, listen for weird sounds, watch your warning lights, and don't wait if something feels off. Brakes are your car's most important safety feature. If you're ever unsure, always ask a professional. Stay safe out there.